Maybe you've seen them in a park, sidewalk, or even in your yard. None of us want to see used needles, razor blades, or broken glass called sharps, but they're around, and there are easy and safe ways to throw them out. If you see sharps in a public space like parks, community centers, or sidewalks, call city staff on our 24/7 dispatch line. In your yard or a neighbor's or your business property, it's important to follow some key steps to keep yourself and others safe. Never throw needles in the garbage or recycling, or flush them down the toilet. Start with gloves, tongs, or pliers, a sharps container, or a thick-walled, unbreakable container with a lid, like a plastic bleach bottle or an empty paint can. While wearing gloves, put your container on a flat surface, making a triangle between you, the needle, and the container. Using tongs, pick up the needle with the sharp end pointing down and away from you. If the needle has a cap, don't try to put it back on. Place the needle with the sharp end facing down and put any other pieces like a cap or a wrapper in the container too. Close that lid tightly. Pull the gloves off inside out and throw them out safely. Wash your hands with soap and warm water or use hand sanitizer. Throw out the entire container at a special needle bin. You can find those locations and more information at london.ca.